Hello, my name's Dr. Garrett Thompson, and welcome to Mind Body Healing Center. At Mind Body Healing Center, we treat you like family. We accept patients of all ages and provide treatment for neck and back pain, auto injuries, migraine headaches, neuropathy, fibromyalgia, carpal tunnel, vertigo, and many others. We accept most insurance companies and have flexible hours. Whether your pain started 10 minutes ago or 10 years ago, Mind Body Healing Center is the place for you. So come visit us at 3105 Lombard Avenue, 2 blocks south of the Everett Convention Center, or call us to set up an appointment today.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Barato. I own a stone ceiling business, and when I came to Dr. Thompson about 9 months ago, I was having lots of headaches, neck pain, vertigo. I would say within the first couple weeks I started immediately feeling better, and I'm pretty much symptom-free now. So thanks to Dr. Thompson and his wonderful remedies, I'm feeling great.
Hi, I'm Wendy McKenna. I'm a real estate investor and real estate agent, and I started seeing Dr. Thompson for Best Care back, I believe, in the early 90s. And at that time when I came in, I had been in some car accidents, and my spine at the top was 7/8 of an inch out of alignment, and through Best Care it went back in, totally back in. No drugs, no surgery, just Best Care. And I would highly recommend Best Care to anyone, and have recommended Best Care to several people.
I'm Kay, and my knees were really bothering me. I had sharp pains on both sides of my knees. Just today I was going down the stairs that usually I'm grabbing the handrails to make sure that my knees are going to be okay. And I started going down the stairs today, and there was like no pain. And I thank Dr. Thompson for that, because I think that Best really works. So thanks, Dr. Thompson.
Hi, I'm Yvonne Enox, and I've been going to Dr. Thompson for years now. I'm from Montlake Terrace, Washington, and I first came to him with pain and numbing in my hands, and the medical doctors wanted to snip something in here. And so my husband had heard about Dr. Thompson from somebody that works for him. So I came to him, and he treated me, and I no longer have numbness in my hands.
I'm Gary Fulcher. I've been going to Garrett Thompson for many years. I think back in the early 70s, I believe. He saved my life many a times, and I really appreciate it, and I'm still coming to him. So I recommend him to anybody.